We come out and we finished up our meal, and we always do a celebratory shot of Jack Daniels. It's just, cheers, motherfucker. So we cheers, and I immediately got the hiccups. I just like, cheers. Fuck. And when I get the hiccups, they don't just go away.
Right.
I've got to get rid of them. And my way of getting rid of them is hold my breath. But I held my breath too long, and I passed out and banged my nose off of the toilet, and I come out with just blood everywhere. And I entertained those guys for a couple more hours before I decided I better go to the ER because this shit ain't stopping. And I got about 8 stitches in my nose, and they're half the night. That was good hoot, good fun.